Hello students, welcome to your physical education class. Students, actually many students were giving me a call or sending me messages regarding that they were the certain topics which are not being covered, like what tournament, what is the importance of tournament, types of tournament, what is the advantages of knockout tournament, what is the advantages of league tournament, what is the disadvantage of league tournament. So we'll be covering this topic so that there should not be any doubt regarding that ki this topic is not covered, though it's a very easy topic, but I'll cover it right here in this class. We'll be covering today tournament and importance of tournament. ठीक है जी? Suppose we'll start with what is tournament. So the definition written in your book about tournament: the tournament is a competition in which a team finally wins and rest of the team loses the matches. Means there is a competition between many teams. It can be inter-school, it can be inter-district. ठीक है? Match between, suppose 10 teams are there. मोगा, फरीदकोट, मुक्तसर, मानसा, बठिंडा, पटियाला, मोहाली, गुरदासपुर, ठीक है, and they compete with each other, and in half of the team, and then one team wins, which, ठीक है जी, at the finals. So there are different types of tournaments, like what knockout tournament, league tournament, combination tournament, challenge tournament, but these tournaments are played according to the rules and regulation prescribed by their associations or federations. ठीक है? There are certain rules and regulations to play each and every game and every tournament. So we have to follow all these norms and regulations very strictly. Doesn't mean कि चलो ऐ कर लो, चलो ऐ कर लो. Every rules and regulation is followed up. And it is told in advance to the player that there is a certain rules and regulation of this game, and you have to follow that so that this tournament should be conducted smoothly and efficiently. ठीक है? So it depends on various factors: the number of participating teams, availability of grounds and equipment, number of days and funds. The tournament is organized at various levels: at zonal level, district level, state level, national level, and international level. So it depends on the level, कि what kind of level you are playing, and depends on the funds you are having. और देखो ना, जितना ज़्यादा fund होगा, that much good function you can organize. ठीक है? Suppose we'll talk about Olympic Games. I told you earlier also in planning and sports वगैरह कि the 10,000 crores, more than 10,000 crores of rupees are spent on opening ceremony of any of the Olympic Games. 10,000 crores. And more than that much money is spent on closing ceremony. So they are providing best ever facilities, like what IPL is going to be organized in Dubai. So much money has been, these organizers are spending. Okay? We'll be discussing about these tournaments today, like what there is zonal level. If any person has participated at different levels, I can tell you zone level. Faridkot, suppose we'll talk about Faridkot district. Faridkot district is divided into 8 to 10 zones. 8 to 10 zones. Suppose 100 schools are there in this district. 100 schools. According to area, 10 are distributed in these zones. ठीक है जी? मैं टैना जोन, फरीदकोट जोन, गोलेवाला जोन, सादिक जोन, ठीक है जी, फरीदकोट जोन, different zones, कोटकपूरा zone. So they have distributed whole of the Bajakhana zone, Jato zone. Means they have distributed this whole of the district into 10 zones, and they will be competing within them. पहला zone level च compete करके आउणगे. Suppose art zone is Tana zone. Name is given due to this village Tana, which is very nearby to our school. So in this zone, our school is there. This Public School Faridkot, Pana school is there, Dishmesh Matan Pana. Different schools are there. Tena zones, there's many schools, Mora Ali, they comes to this zone. Okay? So first we will compete with each other. Then the winner team will go to district level. The winner of district team will be going to state level. The winner of state level team will be going to teams. Students, a player of different teams are selected. Then it will going to represent at national levels. Then national level. Then there will be international level. This is the sequence we are following. Okay? So basically, it is written that next topic that tournaments are mainly of 4 types. Okay? First is knockout tournament, elimination tournament of consolation tournament. Knockout tournament means the team in this kind of tournament, once the team is defeated, does not get any chance to play again. Ki jedi team haar gayi doesn't get another chance to play. I'll be explaining this thing in next topic. Okay? Next is league tournament. League tournament or round robin tournament is that tournament in which all the teams compete with each other irrespective of defeat or win. ਜਿਵੇਂ IPL ਹੈ, it is double league. IPL ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਇੱਕ ਟੀਮ ਹਾਰ ਗਈ, ਮੁੰਬਈ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਫਿਰ ਅਗਲੀ ਨਾ ਖੇਡੂ, ਫਿਰ ਅਗਲੀ ਨਾ ਖੇਡੂ, ਫਿਰ ਅਗਲੀ ਨਾ ਖੇਡੂ. Suppose there are 8 teams, they'll be competing with each other irrespective of win or lose. And the best point, if they have won the match, they'll be given 2 points. If they have lost the match, no point will be given. You will be understanding this thing when I will be teaching this thing in league. First, I am telling you this is the tournament introduction. Combination tournament means which is the combination of league come knockout, league come knockout, or knockout come league, vice versa. Okay? So means this kind of tournament is organized in World Cups of football. This thing I will be explaining in this combination tournament, and when we'll be discussing about this topic. Then next is challenge tournament. It is the challenge tournament. It is also called ladder tournament. Ladder समझते हैं पौड़ी, ठीक है? जिन्हें पौड़ी दी देखो. In this kind of tournament, challenge tournament, suppose 1 number player, 2 number 3, 4, 5. Suppose my rank is number 1, 5. I am 5 ranked player. Challenge I will be challenging 4th number player. In this kind of ladder, एक body, मैं 5 number rank कर रहा है. I will be challenging 4th ranked player कि I will be playing with you. If I will defeat this 4, I will go to 4th and this will come to 5th. But I can't challenge number 1 player. I have to go step by step. This is also called ladder tournament. I will be explaining ladder tournament. I will be explaining this thing in your next discussions. Okay? Firstly, we have to discuss about these 4. I have told you about 4 tournaments. Now, we will be discussing about importance of tournament. Why these tournaments have been organized? ये ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮਨ ਚ ਆਊਗਾ ਕਿ ਟੂਰਨਾਮੈਂਟ ਕਿਉਂ ਕਰਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ. So we'll be discussing about this. The first topic point is propagation of sports. Sport or sports. Propagation ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ? ਜਿਵੇਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਪੇਗੈਂਡਾ ਕਰਦਾ, ਮਸ਼ਹੂਰੀ ਕਰਨੀ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ? To propagate any of that game, like what ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹੋ ਕਿ ਕਬੱਡੀ ਹੈ. ਕਿੰਨੇ ਟੂਰਨਾਮੈਂਟ ਕਬੱਡੀ ਦੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਚ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ. Many tournaments are organized in Punjab of kabaddi, ठीक है? So that kabaddi can be popularized in these kind of areas. Haryana अपने बहुत games होंदियां, football ਦੇ tournaments ਹੁੰਦੇ, so that this football can be popularized. So propagation of that sport. ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ tournament ਹੀ ਨਾ ਹੋਣਗੇ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗੂ which game is been organized. Not in part of every world, every if you talk about kabaddi, people are organizing big tournaments in Punjab, big tournament in Norway, England, USA, Canada. ठीक है जी? They are hiring big names of kabaddi. देखो हम nowadays IPL है, देखो कितनी मशहूरी होगी क्रिकेट की. This is only for propagation of sport. कि क्रिकेट की मशहूरी हो गया, IPL कराओ, ICL कराओ, different big bash कराओ ऑस्ट्रेलिया वाले. So they are organizing and they are earning huge amount of money from this. Means propagation of sport. When you will go through you will come to know about everything. Next day, when you organize these types of tournament, people come and see these tournaments, propagation of sport, whatever tournament, and the students and children get motivated that यार मैनू भी विराट कोहली वर्गा बनना चाहिए, शिखर धवन वर्गा चाहिए, गावस्कर वर्गा, तेंदुलकर वर्गा, they go and watch and they get inspired to see those games and to become like them. ठीक है जी. So next, develop qualities, social qualities. Second point I have written, develop social qualities. What are social qualities? Cooperation, coordination. ठीक है जी. कि means honesty. कि you should be honest. Games sportsman spirit develop कर दिया थोड़े च. And sports also develop the sense of cooperation, coordination and honesty. देखो जी, you will be watching in this IPL, fair play award मिलते हैं. Which team has played very fairly? कि उन्होंने कोई बेईमानी नहीं की थी. They have not done any kind of partiality. They have not used any unfair means in this tournament. So teams are we are organizing the teams like that. So the thing is कि develop there's written the ethical values like honesty, fair play, justice, respect of others, and develop. There are written sports ethics. There are 3-4 sports ethics. I remember that: respect the elders, respect your co-players. ठीक है जी. Follow rules and regulation of society and games. ठीक है. If you are following rules and regulation of games, कि यार किसी ਨੂੰ ਧੱਕਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਾਰਨਾ, you are not to push anyone, ਕੋਈ ਬੇਈਮਾਨੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨੀ, ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ society 'ਚ ਵੀ ਬੇਈਮਾਨੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰੋਗੇ. You will be having a big name. Your mind will never consider कि नहीं यार ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਬੇਈਮਾਨੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ. ठीक है जी. So these types of social qualities are developed through games and sports. Like quality में लिखा cooperation. Cooperation means cooperation with each other. ठीक है जी. कि you are passing your ball to another person, कि यार ले ball है तू ਚੱਕ ਦੇ ਇੰਡੀਆ 'ਚ ਸਿਖਾਉਂਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ. शाहरुख खान what he is teaching कि cooperate with each other so that the team should win. If team will not be winning, you will be the loser. Brotherhood. देखो brotherhood तो होना ही है ना बेटे. See different people from different cities, different देखो चंडीगढ़, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, असम, गोवा, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, they are representing Punjab, Jammu Kashmir, they are representing with the same cause to win as a team. So tolerance, sympathy. Tolerance means sometimes some person says something to you. तनु गाला कड्डी जांदा, the person is abusing, but you have a big tolerance power. I gave you example of Sachin Tendulkar also. Might be कि Sachin Tendulkar was having such a tolerance power. One day one big name of big bowler, very renowned bowler, he said something to Sachin Tendulkar. He was sledging. ठीक है. But Tendulkar went to him and said कि gentlemen, I have never said anything to you. Did I say anything inappropriate to you? Why you are using this word for? Very, very politely he said. The bowler was so ashamed. He felt very ashamed. He didn't say anything to Sachin Tendulkar after that. ठीक है. So next point is helping in developing national and international integration. India is a land of diversity. Means people from different caste, different languages, different lifestyle, different food, different clothing, they live in India. Suppose we are to suppose I have to represent Punjab for nationals. मेरी टीम है, मैं suppose I am a volleyball player. ठीक है जी. I have to represent nationals. ठीक है. From Punjab side. Doesn't mean कि whole of the सारी team it will be from Sikh or Hindu. No. Team might be there, might be Christian. There might be Sikh, Hindu, Muslim, every caste, every nation. They represent Punjab as one team. Doesn't mean he's a Muslim, is a like what when we used to play, we used to study, there were many people, players, those were from different castes. Muslim is Naib Khan or Mohammed Singh भी सीगे, सब रहे थे. So this develops, we come to know about different languages, different lifestyle, different eating style, different food. So they, we used to stay at in one room and we used to eat collectively, ਇਕੱਠੇ ਖਾਣਾ, ਇਕੱਠੇ ਬਹਿਣਾ, ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਦੀ language ਸਿੱਖਣੀ. When people go for international, like what you might have seen in Chak De India also, different people are different players of that hockey team was having different languages, but they were playing as a team. This is national integration, कि सारे ਦੀਆਂ ਭਾਸ਼ਾਵਾਂ ਇਕੱਠੀਆਂ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ and they play as a one team, as a whole team, only to win the game. Next is develop sports skills. Tournaments are very much needed for developing sports skills, because if I'll be playing in our local Dashmere school ਚ ਖੇਡੀ ਜਾਓ, how will you come to know that you are having that kind of skill? ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਘਰ ਦੀ ਘਰ ਚ ਹੀ ਰਹੇਗੀ. When you will compete with other, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ confidence ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗੂ, what kind of confidence I am bearing, what kind of skills I am having. You will see other game like यार आप team the player, he is a very good player. Our team the player, he is a very good player. So he was using this kind of tactics and skills, and you will be learning those skills. और रोनाल्डो ਨੂੰ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਮੈਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰਦੇ, ਤੰਦੁਲਕਰ ਨੂੰ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰਦੇ, ਵਿਰਾਟ ਕੋਹਲੀ ਨੂੰ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰਦੇ. They try to compete, they try to play like them. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ. So this explain that develop sports skills, they try to develop that skill. ਜੇ ਟੂਰਨਾਮੈਂਟ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਤੋਂ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਖੇਡੋਗੇ, ਕੰਪੀਟੀਸ਼ਨ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਖੇਡੋਗੇ, you will be, your skills will be developed. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ. And last is source of recreation. ਇੱਕ ਮਨੋਰੰਜਨ ਦਾ ਸਾਧਨ ਹੈ ਸਪੋਰਟਸ. ਦੇਖੋ IPL ਚ ਚਲੋ ਅੱਜ ਤਾਂ ਐਸਾ ਜਿਹਾ due to corona there are no people to watch those games in the stadiums because government has not allowed, but you see ਲੱਖ ਬੰਦਾ 50,000 70, not even a single seat people are getting, and they are coming to watch those games. You take any game now in this world, Olympics, golf, cricket, volleyball, lawn tennis, kabaddi, IPL, ICL or kabaddi league, pro kabaddi, there are huge amount of games going on TV. People come and watch those games. It's a big source of recreation. ਬੱਚੇ ਲੋਕ ਆਪ ਵੀ ਖੇਡਦੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਗੇਮ ਦੇਖਣ ਵੀ ਆਉਂਦੇ. So volleyball ਆ ਜਿਵੇਂ, it's a good game for recreation. You can come and watch those games also. You can go and play that games also. You will be feeling refreshed. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਣਾ ਯਾਰ એનર્ਜੀ ਰਿਵਾਈਵ ਹੋ ਗਈ. Suppose now time is nearly about 3 o'clock. Suppose I am making this video. Time is about 3:30. ठीक है. After going from school after 4:30 or 5 o'clock, I'll be going to ground. मैं उत्थे रनिंग करूँगा, सैर करूँगा, एक्सरसाइज करूँगा, so that I'll be feeling refreshed. मैं रिक्रिएशन अपनी बॉडी ताकि सारे दिन की मेरी थकान रह जाए. The sportsmen learn discipline for playing tournament. Sportsmen meet other sportsmen at single platform. You meet many of the good sportsmen from different culture, different states at one platform, tournaments. ठीक है जी. So we have covered this two topics: tournaments, types, and importance of tournament. ठीक है जी. So I'll be uploading this video and just try to go through it once. It's a very easy topic. ठीक है जी. Thank you so much.